Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Welcome to EMD111 Engineering Drawing and CAD. This brief video is to guide you what to prepare for the 7 week of this class. You need to have these two set of triangle, the 45 and the 30-60 triangle. You need to have one ruler, an eraser, a protractor, and a compass. Make sure the compass can fit your mechanical pencil because you're going to use 0.3 and 0.7 pencil. Then you need to buy at the shop A3 paper, the plain one. The A3 size is 420 x 297. You may need about 30 pieces of this paper for your assignment and workshop. All your workshop and assignment must be done only on A3 paper and must follow this format. The first thing to do is draw the margin boundary on all four sides of the paper. The gap between the line to the edge of the paper is 10 millimeter. And at the bottom right corner, you draw this, we call it title block. There are 3 rows, each row with a height of 3 millimeter, and the length depend on your name. If your name is long, it's going to be wider than this one. What this title block for? Here is for you to put the first row is the title of the workshop or assignment, and then put your name, the full name, the right spelling, your matric number, and your degree program. If you can notice that inside the row, you must draw a line very thin and blur with the height of 4 millimeter. Then within that line, you write all the text for that particular assignment or workshop. And this line, we call it a construction line, must be drawn using the 0.3 pencil, has to be thin and blur. Other than that, all this line, the boundary line, the title block line, the name, must be drawn using the 0.7 millimeter pencil, has to be thick and clear. Then make sure the line thickness is consistent all the way. These are the main books that we may need to refer. These are the books that we're going to use. You don't have to buy them. If you want to refer, or you want to find the PDF, or you borrow from the whatever library or wherever you can get them. So basically, you can refer the content, the subject in these two books written by the Frederick with the title Technical Drawing, or by the Boundy with the name Engineering Drawing. So inside here, whatever we're going to learn in this class, basically we just follow through some of the content of this book. You don't have to buy them because the books are expensive, but if you can find the PDF, that should be good for you. Otherwise, our note should be sufficient for the class. These are some example of the assignment of the previous student. So basically, you're going to use your pencil and ruler and eraser and also all the drawing equipment to draw or sketch them. This is assignment number 3, for example, learning about sectional view. So you can draw a few objects on one piece of paper. Later on, you're going to learn to draw things with all the dimension needed, distinguish between the line, the center line, the hidden line, the sectional line. At the end of the week 7, we are expecting you all be able to produce this kind of, we call it detailed drawing, of which on each paper you will draw the component of the object, and with the orthographic view and also with the 3D view with all the labeling and all the title block, everything complete. The last workshop will involve drawing of multiple objects to be assembled and with the full dimension. Once you finish with this one, then you can go to the SolidWorks to produce similar object drawing using the software. So that's it for this video. Just to repeat, These are the basic thing you need for this class for the first 7 weeks. But if you plan to buy more than this one, you want to buy the T-square, the drawing board, the French curve, everything is up to you. If you think you need them, go ahead. Otherwise, this is sufficient for you. We don't want you to spend too much money for the class.